topic is dictionaries. What is dictionaries? The first thing that comes to mind when you hear about dictionaries is the Oxford Dictionary, where you can see word from Hindi to English, or English to Hindi, or you can have synonyms for that particular word. So, dictionary is one data structure that is very useful because of the way in which it is defined. In Python, dictionaries are to store key value pair. Let us look back at the example. We store information about customer name, phone number, the application number, name, user ID, address. So what is that? That is key value pair. And that type of data in computer we can store in dictionaries data structure. So for this kind of data, like we are talking about uh, any employee detail. If this is employee ID, then employee information Akash 24, that is the position, 102 employee ID, Vishal 30 project manager. So we can store the data in key value pair. Like 101 is the if key, then values are Akash, age, and position. Values 102 Akash, age, and what is the position project manager. In the similar way, Vikas 18 intern. So if we want to store such kind of data, like we go somewhere and we needed to data name, email, user ID, address, and at many places we required phone number. So for such kind of information storage, we really require dictionaries where keep in the where data will be in the pair of key values. So you have so-called name as key value pair. In a dictionary, we can store the value in key and value pair, and this is what you are going to introduce in this section. So dictionaries are used to store data in key value pairs, and dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. The key is like an index here, and it is always unique and immutable. Key is index and it is unique and immutable. So what is mutable? That is value. So the values are the object that contain information. Values are accessed by using their keys. Each key is followed by a value separated by a colon within curly brackets. The values can be immutable, mutable, and duplicates. Each key and value are separated by a comma and closed inside curly brackets. So we define dictionaries in curly brackets, where we define dictionaries in key value pair. Like if we put this information within curly brackets, name Akash, email X, user ID Y, address Z, phone number 10. So this is how dictionaries works. Even you have seen, maybe you have seen various example of dictionaries around you. So I'm ending my demo here. I'll start with this. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.